Hi, good. Hi everyone, my name is Samuel Lipa. My thing number is 10DLS22F2032. Today I'm going to talk about the product demand forecasting using forecasting method for the company called Nextech Gadgets and Timberhead. For about company background, the Gadget was established in 2019 and focused on smart consumer electronics. The company design and sells innovative device like our main product, new Tab X1 Smart tablet, which is target as students and professionals. The company's vision is to become the leading smart technology brand in South Asia, and its mission to deliver high performance, suitable, and user friendly tech product. And our vision is to become the leading smart technology brand in South Asia, and our mission is to develop high quality, intuitive, and sustainable gadgets that enhance everyday life by studying innovative and customer focus. The product description is our flagship product is the Tab X1, a smart tablet designed to meet the needs of student, professional, and digital creative. Include the 10.5 inches HD screen, select compatibility, multitasking compatibility, and long battery life too. It balance productivity and probability, making it an idea for both work and entertainment. And this is the organization chart of our company, and the CEO is myself, Arvind Velipan, marketing by Nimala Devi Sivakumar, operation by Jasitra Tyagarajan, and finance management by Sweta Rajendran. To analyze demand, we created factorial sales data from 10th month from January to October. The data show a concentrated in sales suggested growing demand in tablet X1. The forecasting method, we applied four forecasting method to predict the sale number. That is naive method, simple moving average for 3 months, expectative smoothing, and trend project. And this is the naive approach method that we have applied from January to October, and the amount that we have got for the November forecast, that is the total amount is 1850. As predict, we will the forecast for the next month, that it will be December, is 1850.
Good day, Puan. My name is Jasitra, daughter of Tyagarajan, and my matric card number is 10DLS22F2018. Today, I will explain this table on the simple moving average over 3 months. This table shows the monthly demand from January to October and calculates the 3-month moving average starting from April. The 3-month moving average is a method used to smooth out short-term fluctuation and identify the trend in demand. It is done by taking the average of the current month and the previous 2 months. Let's go through. For April, the 3rd month average is calculated using the demand from January, February, and March. So, 1200 plus 1350 plus 1280 divided by 3 equals to 1276.67. For May, we take the average of February, March, and April. 1350 plus 1280 plus 1500 divided by 3, which give 1376.67. For June is the average of March, April, and May. 1280 plus 1500 plus 1600 divided by 3, which give 1460. You can see how the average shifts forward each month, always taking the latest 3 months. This method helps us to forecast future demand and make better inventory and production decisions. As we continue, July average is 1550, August is 1616.67, September is 1683.33, and October is 1750. The trend shows a gradually increase in demand, and that's how the 3-month simple moving average works in this table. Thank you.
Good morning, madam and my fellow friends. My name is Simla Devi of Sivakumar. My metric number is 10DLS22F2038. So today I would like to present about 2.4, which is exponential smoothing. So for the formula, you can refer to the slide and assume for the forecast for October will be 14,200. You can assume or calculate it based on previous average. Actual sales in October will be 14,800. The smoothing constant of common value used for moderate smoothing will be 0.3. The answer will be the forecasted sales for November using exponential smoothing will be RM 14,380.
Hello, Madam Zihani. My name is Sweta, daughter of Rajendran. My metric number is 10 DLS 22F2040. I'm going to explain about question D, trend projection. I'm going to explain the trend projection step by step process. First, historical sales data for 10 months. For January, the sale is 10,000. February 10,800, for March 11,200, for April 12,000, for May 12,700, for June 12,400, for July 13,000, for August 30,500, for September 14,000, for October 14,800. Second process is use the linear trend equation. Madam can refer the equation in the slide. As follows as the third process is calculate required values. As we know, calculate the sum, slope, and intercept. For the fourth process, forecast for November T equal to 11. Also, we add the equation in the slide. The final answer, forecast sales for November using trend projection is 14,773 ringgit and 31 cent.
Next, I'm going to continue with the justification of the best forecasting method. First is first of all, justification of best forecasting method for our company is after comparing all methods, we selected trend projection as the most suitable forecasting method. This is because it took into account long-term trends in sales, which is important for a growing company like New Tech, and it provides better accurate for the long term planning compared to short term methods. That's all from me. Thank you.
Impact of forecasting on business risk. First, support in future planning. Forecasting helps companies get an idea of future trends such as sales or consumer demand so they can plan in advance and prevent fluctuations. Second, help reduce financial costs. Forecasting possible problems help businesses to make more better financial decisions such as avoiding unnecessary stock ordering or spending too much. Lastly, enhance the decision making. By providing data-based information, it helps managers select the correct course of action, so reducing the possibility of making risky or incorrect decisions. Thank you.
For 3.3, aggregate the operation plan next 6 months. Choose an aggregate planning strategy, mixed strategy, a combination of chase and level strategies. Forecast the sales based on the trend projection and seasonal adjustment. We separate the forecast sales as month, forecast sales, and estimated production units. For November, the forecast sale is 14,800. Estimated production unit is 1,480 units. For December, forecast sales is 16,000, which is a holiday spike. Estimated production unit is 1,600 units. For January, forecast sale is 15,000 and the estimated production unit is 1,500 units. For this February, the forecast sale is 15,500 and the estimated production units is 1,550 units. For March, the forecast sale is 16,200. Estimated production units is 1,620 units. For the last month, which is April, 16,800, which is a Ramadan boost for forecast sales, and estimated production units is 1,600 units. Next is operation plan detail. We separate the operation plan detail as element and plan. For the first element, workforce, the plan is maintain a base team of full-time employee, hire part-time staff for December and April. The second element is production schedule. Level production during stable month, which is November, January, and February. Chase production during peak months. The third element is raw material. Bulk buy during non-peak periods for discount, increase supply in festive months. For the fourth element is inventory management. The plan is slight inventory build-up in non-peak months to prefer for festive peaks. The last element is overtime or extra shift. The plan is add overtime only during December and April to avoid delays.
The next I will explain about justification. Why should we use mixed strategies? The first one will be balance between cost and flexibility. A pure level strategy will lead to overproduction during low months. A pure chase strategy will cause frequent hiring or firing and instability. A mixed strategy gives flexibility during peaks and stability during normal months. The second one will be reduce waste and cost. Electronic products require strict inventory control to prevent obstacles and excess stock. Alliance production with actual demand helps minimize overproduction and reduce the risk of holding outdated or unsellable items. The third one will be improve customer satisfaction. Having enough stock during high demand period, which are holidays, Ramadan, ensure on-time delivery and good service. The fourth one will be optimize resources use. Base workforce remain fully utilized. Temporary labor handle and overflow. Smoothens procurement planning and avoid last-minute ingredient shortages. The last one will be boost business success. Predictable operation reduce stress and increase team morale. Help scale sustainability as sales increase. Build brand reliability and customer trust with consistent product availability. The summary of strategic impact are: the first one will be cost efficiency. The benefit will be control labor and material costs. The second one will be flexibility. The benefit will be quick response to high demand months. The third one will be inventory management. The benefit will be reduced waste and storage costs. The fourth one will be customer satisfaction. The benefit will be meet demands without delays or shortages. The last one will be business growth. The benefit will be position the electronics business for scalable growth and successful entry into new market. That's all from me. Thank you so much.